We are built to be able to prevent and heal from disease, both physical and mentally. And this is the way into the depth of our beings.
Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. We will do 30 breaths. We almost got 10. Fully in. Letting go. Relax. Fully in. Then you let go. Fully in. Letting go. It's all alright. Fully in. Letting go. Here is the meditation. Here's the going deep. Even people meditating for years are not able to go as deep as we will go now. And go. Go with the flow. Like the sea, waves getting to the shore, then letting go. And there it comes again. Fully letting go. 17. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. You feel light in your head, loose in your body, tingly. It's all alright. Breathe into it. Breathe into it. Intensify. Whatever you feel is different. We are charging up the body. We want to go into the depth. We are charging up the body. Yes, 23. 7 more. Fully in. Let it go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. 4. Fully in. 3. Fully in. 2. Fully in. 1. Here comes the last one. Fully in. Let him go. And stop after the exhalation. Just witness. Feel the feeling, the rush. It's your blood in your nervous system. Charges, there's no need for breathing whatsoever. It's no hypnotizing. Just the magic of the physiology at work. Your nervous system is getting into the brainstem, slowly and surely. Oxygen levels begin to decrease rapidly. Thus the brainstem is beginning to answer, hey, there is no oxygen, but you are alkaline. Your chemistry is right, so there is no need for breathing. The danger is happening. The body goes into this autonomic nervous system state of being, to be the best of yourself. But you are doing it all consciously. You are at ease. Blood flows going into the depth, into all the parts of the brain. Any brain scan is able to tell that. So there it is. Okay, breathe in. Breathe in and hold. And squeeze to your head. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. That is 1 round. I've been entering into these different yogic states and getting knowledge from the ether. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. We will do 30 breaths. We almost got 10. Fully in. Letting go. Relax. Fully in. Then you let go. fully in. Letting go. It's all alright, fully in. Letting go. Here is the meditation, here's the going deep. Even people meditating for years are not able to go as deep as we will go now. And go. Go with the flow. Waves getting to the shore, then letting go. And there it comes again. Fully letting go. 17. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. You feel light in your head, loose in your body, tingling. It's all alright. Breathe into it. Breathe into it. Intensify. Whatever you feel is different. We are charging up the body. We want to go into the depth. We are charging up the body. Yes, 23. 7 more. Fully in. Let it go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. 4. Fully in. 3. Fully in. 2. Fully in. 1. Here comes the last one. Fully in. Let him go. And stop after the exhalation. Just witness. Feel the feeling, the rush. It's your blood in your nervous system. Charges, there's no need for breathing whatsoever. There's no hypnotizing. Just the magic of the physiology at work. The body goes into this autonomic nervous system state of being to be the best of yourself. And you are doing it all consciously. You are at ease. This is the way we get into the deepest and take over control in the neurological pathways right over there. Breathe in and hold. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Now this is what these people did in the hospital, and then the bacteria had no chance. How simple it is. And when we are dealing with inflammation, causing depression in the end, we take away the inflammation with doing this within a quarter of an hour, and people feel revived.